2 hours later. Fucking hell, bro, were you ever taught? And he's still a million miles from the car, but I don't go past yet because he's gonna... Alright, he's inviting me round now. Thank you very much. Good luck with your endeavours. You're gonna need it. Now shall we show him how it's done? And how long did that take me?
Exit the roundabout onto Slip Sale Select.
Nope. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
He didn't even look this way. He's still not even looked this way at all. Wow.
Oh gosh. Well, I could go to the...
You're not even allowed down there either. Ah! Shit!
Why you get price?
Why? Are you crazy?
You're fucking paranoid,
You are fucking, you are fucking.
You fucking, you bloody.
You bloody.
Fuck you bloody. Bastard bitch.
You
fuck
bastard,
fuck
you.
Bloody fuck you bloody. Fucking mother bloody fuck bitch.
Bitch, you
Bloody
what
fuck
do?
you fucking bloody bastard.
You alright, pal?
Yeah, mate, cheers.
Yards, turn left onto Terminus Terrace, A33.
Who's fucking honking at who? Van man got fed up.
A few moments later.
Who are you calling Pinhead? Oh man.
Video protected.
I love my brain some days.
Disgusting!
Does he not know he's got a tape measure on his bonnet? Probably not. I'd have tried to tell him, but I don't think he'd have listened, to be honest. Go on then, you're already halfway out. Go on then. What are you doing? Come on. Can I not sit in here waiting all day for you?
Got it!
That's it.
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah, okay.
Um,
I'm guessing that.
I mean, I'm gonna trust you. All right. Thank you. I hope this isn't a prank. Where are the cameras?
Fuck's sake, man. Fucking idiot.
Don't let me do it. Well, the average ones.
Fucking hell.
I drive a Porsche. I'm a prick. I apologise.
I don't give a fuck.
Fuck off. Your bike. Fuck you. Your bloody bike.
Video protected.
Your bike. If I stand on my bloody back, stand on my fucking anchors, where are you fucking going? Straight through the back of my fucking windscreen.
Video protected.
Then back off, mate.
Video protected.
Then back off. It's as simple as that. Don't get on my arse, because it'll go through my back window.
Yeah. Well, what's
Just
the point
got random,
beeping
like.
like? Fucking no point beeping, they're there, aren't they? And
By now, you should know this junction in Hull.
That back there, sir.
It connects Derringham Street
Stay there.
to Springbank. It's a pretty simple,
They could do with a little bit of signage here to make that a little bit clearer.
yet utterly infuriating junction.
Where do you think I can go? If you start going out, people are like, hey, what's he doing? And they'll slow down.
You lurch, and then you lurch some more, and whoever doesn't flinch gets to go first.
This is Nightmare Junction.
2,000 years later.
This is a bit of a messy one. This is not good. Mental. Well, that was bloody dreadful.
But you know what? Considering the sub wasn't... He was trying to get your attention, I think.
Who?
The bus
What?
driver.